Model, 65-plate VAUXHALL VIVARO L2 Diesel 2900 1.6CDTI BiTurbo 120PS ecoFLEX Sportive H1 van rare low miles nice red color. Fares OR repairs. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 61,607. MOT, 12 December 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6CDTI BiTurbo SE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, start perfects, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp